Welcome to CC, the Classic Car Show. In this episode, we get under the hood of a 1959 Chrysler Royal to find out what you need to do to keep it on the road. We take a much-loved English open-top roadster for a spin, find a classic of tomorrow for budding budget car buyers, and hop on the Pony Express for a top-down cruise, ×2. Also on the show, how well do you know your chrome? We'll put you to the test. We shop for a bargain or not, plus the big cat purrs as we cut to the polish on this beautiful heavyweight Jaguar Sports Classic. So sit back and strap in for another exciting ride on the rambling road that is CC, Classic Cars. There's nothing quite like driving on the open road in a classic roadster, and the MGA ticks all the boxes. This little machine oozes style with its smooth lines, sporty handling and retro styling. Over 103,000 MGAs were produced by the British Motor Corporation between 1959 and 1962. All but just over 5,000 stayed in England, with the other cars shipped across the globe. So many of these vehicles were sold abroad that to this day the MGA is still the most exported UK-built car. The MGA is considered by many to be the pinnacle of styling from BMC, with its classic shape and combination of class and speed oozing from its inspired design. On the road, the MGA feels like a rocket. This feeling is in most part a result of the responsive handling, direct steering and driving position, which is very low to the ground. Of course, like many sports cars of the era, the driver is not cocooned in a heavy padded seat, surrounded by gadgets, spongy suspension and power steering. These vehicles are more like being in the cockpit of a war-era fighter plane. Simple driver comforts, necessary instrumentation, direct controls and a tight squeeze. And when we say tight squeeze, we mean it. If you are over 6 feet tall or you have shoulders wider than your average English aristocrat, you won't have much fun driving or extracting yourself from this roadster.